Krishna from Midday. Today we are having with us Meera Erda. She is India's foremost female racer to win internationally in Formula 4 racing. Hi Meera, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. So you are in Gujarat?
Yes, I'm currently at my track.
Wow. That is in Baroda. I
Yeah.
now I guess आप वही ट्रैक पे हो जहाँ पे आपने रेसिंग शुरू किया था.
Yes, मैं वही ट्रैक पे हूँ.
So you started racing at the age of 9. So please tell us about your journey, like how you fell in love with the speed.
So it was all because of my dad क्योंकि उन्होंने 2008 में उनके पैशन के वजह से ही started this go karting track. उनको बहुत पसंद था speed. एंड जब उन्होंने गो कार्टिंग ट्रैक स्टार्ट किया मैं मेरे भाइयों को देखती थी चलाते हुए एंड आई वुड बी लाइक कि मुझे भी चलाना व्हाई शुड बॉयज ऑलवेज हैव द फन. तो मैंने धीरे धीरे गो कार्ट सीखना चालू किया एंड इन जस्ट फ्यू मंथ्स आई वाज वेरी ड्राइविंग रियली वेल. और मेरे पापा ने मैं जब 9 साल की हुई तब मुझे पूछा इफ आई वांटेड टू गेट इनटू प्रोफेशनल रेसिंग. अभी उस टाइम पे मुझे पता नहीं था दैट व्हाट प्रोफेशनल रेसिंग इज बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट 9. Like as a 9-year-old child, किसी को भी पता नहीं होगा कि what professionalism is or what motorsports in general is. मुझे सिर्फ उतना था that I get to race, मुझे बाहर ट्रैवल करने मिलेगा and most importantly मुझे ड्राइव करने मिलेगा. So that was the only reason that I decided that what, let's go ahead, let's watch a race. वहाँ पे हम लोग पुणे में एक रेस देखने गए थे and that's when मैंने वहाँ पे देखा कि it's a very male dominated sport. ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम पे मुझे उतना नहीं था कि नहीं मुझे लड़की की तरह जीतना है और आई वांट टू ड्राइव. ऑल आई केयर डू इज कि मुझे चलाना है एंड उसके बाद मैंने प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग लिया दो दिन का एंड इन जस्ट फ्यू मोर डेज थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस किया एंड आई वाज देयर एट द एज ऑफ 9 इन हैदराबाद मेरे फर्स्ट एवर प्रोफेशनल रेस के लिए.
Wonderful. Now, what is this? What is the physicality of racing for people who don't know about the intricacies of how it works? So let us know about that.
सो रेसिंग इज बेसिकली कार्स. जो मैं चलाती हूँ वो मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था वो गो कार्ट्स होते हैं. उसके बाद आते हैं फॉर्मूला कार्स. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नो कि फॉर्मूला 1 क्या होता है. इन द सेम वे फॉर्मूला 4 जो मैं चला रही हूँ इट्स द बेसिक स्टेप टू गेट इनटू फॉर्मूला कार रेसिंग एंड उसके बाद आता है फॉर्मूला 3, फॉर्मूला 2 एंड फॉर्मूला 1. बट इंडिया में अभी एट द करंट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम फॉर्मूला 4 इज द हाईएस्ट एंड देर आर अदर डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज वेल जैसे कि गो कार्टिंग है, फिर कार्स है, फिर बाइक्स है, ऑफ रोड है. सो देर आर लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट people can get अगर उनको मोटर स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है.
What is your preferred method of dealing with angry drivers after racing? Like we have always seen people, TV में जब होता है racing, तो there's always this two people are just fighting and all because of the racing. How do you deal with that angry drivers?
आई थिंक हम लोग जो रेस करते हैं इट्स ऑल अबाउट बीइंग पेशेंट. एवरीबडी हैज एक्सपीरियंस वहां पे. सबको पता है एट व्हाट लिमिट वी कैन पुश द कार एंड इट्स वेरी क्लीन रेसिंग आई वुड से. ऑब्वियसली एट टाइम्स ऐसे होता है दैट वी डू मिस्टेक्स एंड वी लूज पोजिशंस or we fight for the positions, but we know that we are not going to do rash driving that normally लोगों को लगता है कि चलो कार रेसिंग है that only means कि लोग बहुत फास्ट चलाएंगे, रैश ड्राइविंग करेंगे. but it is totally the opposite. हम लोग यहाँ पे we are professionally trained. हम लोग बहुत सालों से रेसिंग कर रहे हैं and we know how important it is to be safe in this sport as well while हम लोग दूसरे लोगों को overtake कर रहे हैं, compete कर रहे हैं. But I would say when it comes to anger issues, I would say it's all about being calm. जितना गुस्सा है, you try to turn it into your skills and try to get aggressive. But you should know कि आपको कहाँ रुकना है and you shouldn't take any risky moves which might cause an accident. So instead, just work it out. Be calm when you're driving and know what you're doing. Keep the car under your control.
Okay, now this is on the tracks, but आप जब normal roads पे racing कर रहे हो now, because you know a lot of proper formal things about car driving. but people do not know. And when you are driving on a normal road, वहाँ पे जब people do silly mistakes and all, how do you handle your road?
I am so bad. You know that मुझे I can't handle it because I follow rules. मैं अभी भी मैं you know when I go out when I drive the car, लोग rules इतना break करते हैं. They don't stop at the signal and I'm like, what is happening? You know, like it's us as you know responsible citizens that हमें उतना तो basics तो करना ही चाहिए that we follow the rules. And it's for everybody's safety. So जब लोग ऐसे चलाते हैं, I prefer staying calm and I prefer you know driving slow, not slow, at a medium speed which is you know वो suitable है वो city में चलाने में. Because I don't, मेरे लिए मेरे cars are so precious that मुझे नहीं पसंद if anything happens to my cars. So I am very like you know particular that I'll wait for the other person to change the lane and then I'll let the you know I'll overtake that person. So it's all about you know being safe क्योंकि roads पे अभी इतने सारे accidents हो रहे हैं that people lose their lives so easily. You don't even know कि एक second में एक छोटा सा mistake and you can lose your life. So to everyone watching out there, you need to be very safe while you're driving, not just for yourself. आपके family members के लिए, आपके आजू बाजू जो लोग चला रहे हैं उनके लिए भी you have to be safe.
Now I would want to know, like, who do you look up to from the Indian motorsport world? Like, any of your inspiration?
I would say everyone जिनके साथ भी मैं इतने सालों से रेस कर रही हूँ, they are just so good at what they are doing. बहुत सारे रेसर्स हैं जो मुझसे भी ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है जिनके साथ में रेस करने का मुझे मौका मिला है. And every racer has their own you know quality जो उनका एक strong point रहता है. So I look up to everybody जिनके साथ मैं रेस करती हूँ because I get to learn so much from them and they get to learn from me. So it's all about you know supporting each other. So जितने भी racers है out there, I look up to each and every one of them.
There's this complaint, I guess, बड़ौदा की गर्ल्स को कार में कॉर्नरिंग इंडिकेटर्स एंड पार्किंग लाइट्स होते हैं वो समझ ही नहीं आता है. Not just girls these days. Okay, so people are you know complaining you about the driving issues that Baroda ki girls have and expecting you to teach them.
I would say they are totally wrong. Yes, there are girls जो बहुत you know खराब driving करते हैं. I agree to that. But there is a reason why that happens. That is because लोगों ने इतना सारा अपने head में वो बना के रखा हुआ है that girls can't drive. I would say men या लड़के वैसे ही चलाते हैं. There is no difference between girl or a boy. It's all about आप कैसे चला रहे हो और आपका mentality क्या है. अगर लड़कियां you know, I would say that I always say this. If girls can handle families, if girls can handle household, अगर वो इतनी ज़्यादा जगहों पे जाके if they can, you know, excel in such difficult sports, difficult situation, and especially if girls can handle men, vehicles is a no big deal. Trust me. क्योंकि it's just आप लोग इतना प्रेशर कर देते हो लोगों पे that it's for sure कि हाँ ठीक है ऐसे चला रहा है तो ये लड़की ही होगी. But there are chances कि वो लोग इतना प्रेशर करते हैं. That is why we make mistakes. It's not just girls. लड़के भी mistakes करते हैं. So it's just every citizen has to you know understand कि हम लोग जितना प्रेशर दूसरों पर डालेंगे उतना ही प्रेशर हम पे आएगा and we make mistakes. So we all of us have to follow the rules.
Yeah, nice. Good to hear that. Now I wanted to know if you have any specific diet, like so does racing also need that specific fitness?
Totally.
Okay.
Of course. लोगों का ये perception है, especially I would say in India, that सिर्फ गाड़ी चलाना है उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है. But you know slowly things are changing and people are getting to understand that सिर्फ गाड़ी चलाना नहीं होता, उसमें भी it's a lot of physical strength that goes into it as well. And we have to work out quite a lot क्योंकि we drive at such high speeds और हमें वो cars को handle करना पड़ता है at such high speeds. From you know braking at high, you know हम लोग let's say for example we are driving at the speed of 180 kilometers per hour. हमें slow brake करके we have to slow down the car from that to 120 or 100. It's quite difficult to handle. And you know हम लोग बहुत सारे laps चलाते हैं. So in that body stamina जो रहता है, strength जो रहता है, it's very important. So physical strength as well as mental strength बहुत matter करता है in racing, and diet is very important, not just for sports person, but as normal people as well, because we need to stay healthy in this point of time. So जितना हम लोग हमारा diet maintain करेंगे, our body will be able to fight against every other thing outside easily.
Okay, I was asking, has there ever been a time where you have had a sketchy situation with your safety equipment when you were in a race?
Yeah, I have had so many accidents, I would say. Safety maybe, so I would say racing बहुत safe है. We follow all the safety precautions that are important, and it's like international level के हिसाब से ही the cars are made. Even our racing overalls, our helmets, our inners, everything is fireproofed, and it's internationally approved as well. Let's say accidents होते हैं. I had an accident earlier this year. My car flipped उसमें, and I was hanging upside down. And in just like a few moments, the marshals came. वो लोगों ने आके मुझे मेरा कार को वापस they made it उन लोगों ने पलटा, and उन्होंने मुझे safely बाहर निकाल दिया. So I would say कि accidents are quite normal in racing, because we take that risk. We know when to stay calm, and we know how to handle the situation. But accidents होते हैं. It's a motorsport is dangerous. Let's agree to that. But it's all about being present in the moment, and being alert and trying to avoid situations like that.
Now, this is a very I don't know if you would like this question or not, but if your crew chief put a secret part on your car which would make your car go way faster.
So usually there is nothing like that. Every car is equal. हम लोग जो टीम में रेस करते हैं, they make sure that all the cars are equal, and there are certain rules and regulations that we have to follow according to the organizers. So there aren't any secret parts, which can make us go faster. Not just over here, but in general, अगर आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे, बाहर भी, वहाँ पे ऐसे कोई सीक्रेट पार्ट्स नहीं होते जो हमारी कार्स को हमारे कंपेटिटर से ज्यादा फास्ट कर सकते हैं.
Okay, there is this movie Ford versus Ferrari recently released, I guess.
Yes.
And उसमें ऐसा कुछ था, so I thought it was very much relatable to me, so I asked this.
It's nothing like that. It's a movie, obviously, but in general we have to follow all the rules and regulations. Even if let's say हमारा weight जो criteria रहता है, उससे थोड़ा सा भी हमारा weight कम होता है, we get disqualified or we get penalties for that. So there is no chance where we can do something in our car and go faster.
Now you are represented by Red Bull, if I'm not wrong. Now,
Yes.
what impact has it made to your career as a professional racer? Like there are a lot of racers, but you are representing such a big brand.
Yes. So I would say I was very lucky that Red Bull came up and decided to work with me and be one of my sponsors. It has been an amazing journey for us. हम लोगों को उन्होंने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा support किया है. Not just Red Bull, even my other sponsors, that is JK Tires. उन लोगों ने in general मुझे whatever I need, मेरा helmet है, मेरा racing suit है, because all of these things are very expensive. So they help me out with that. And just Red Bull के साथ it's been like we try our best, क्योंकि इंडिया में motorsports is growing. अभी लोगों को उतना opportunities नहीं मिल रहा है. So हम लोग 2 championships खुद organize करते हैं Red Bull के साथ, which is Red Bull Kart Fight and Red Bull Catch Up, जहाँ पे amateurs लोग आ सकते हैं, they can participate and they can उन लोगों को experience करने मिलता है कि what is racing, what is motorsports in general. So other than that, just being one of the first female athletes जो Red Bull has supported, it's just such a an honor, and as well as a boost to my confidence that such a huge brand जो motorsports में is really at a higher level right now. They believe in me and my racing and my skills, that they are willing to support me into my future. So I'm quite lucky that I've got that support.
There's also one question here. What is the best way to maintain a car to keep it running amazingly?
Sorry?
There's this question here which says, what is the best way to maintain a car to keep it running amazingly?
I would say you have to keep checking your car every day, at least not every day. At least you should go and start your car a few times a week so that it's maintained in a good shape. You should servicing अच्छे से कराओ, normal roads है, and especially अभी lockdown चल रहा है बहुत सारे cities में, बहुत सारे states में. So at least जाके आप अपना कार को खुद भी एक बार just clean it properly, make sure कि सब कुछ अच्छे से एक बार थोड़ा like for half an hour just keep it running so that car engine जो है it's in a good shape. So yeah, these are like the tiny things जो आप घर पे खुद कर सकते हो. Other than that, make sure कि आप कभी भी chance मिले on time आपके cars को service कराइए.
The next question is, what is your favorite car movie, like racing movie?
Every car movie, I would say, there is no particular. मुझे movies देखना बहुत पसंद है. So all the car movies जहाँ पे भी you get to see racing, it's all my favorites.
Now coming back to the questions that I want to ask you is, we are a country obsessed with sports like cricket. Now like we are going towards football and slowly basketball. I don't think there are
Yes.
many channels or ways that this sport is broadcasted. So what are we doing in India recently that is helping people know more about motorsports?
I would say धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. Let's say 2010 में मैंने जब रेसिंग स्टार्ट किया था, लोगों को बहुत कम नॉलेज था रेसिंग के बारे में. Whereas अभी आप देखोगे कि रेसिंग में कितना नॉलेज है. मैं यहाँ पे जिस हम लोग लोकल रेसेस कर रहे हैं, I get at least 50 participants जो खुद आते हैं विदाउट एनी नॉलेज. दे जस्ट वांट टू कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट. उनको एक्सपीरियंस करना है कि रेसिंग क्या है. सो वी एट एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल मोटर स्पोर्ट्स में जितने भी ड्राइवर्स है, प्रोफेशनल्स है, टीम्स है, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, वो सब अपने खुद ब खुद एट एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल दे ट्राई टू प्रमोट द स्पोर्ट इन द करेक्ट मैनर. और सोशल मीडिया इज समथिंग जो बहुत हेल्प करता है हमें to reach out to the people, to explain it to them कि motorsports क्या है, what are the other opportunities they can get motorsports में racing करने में. So it's a process. जितनी बड़ी brands हमें support करेंगे, government का हमें धीरे धीरे support मिल रहा है. So जैसे धीरे धीरे हमें support और मिलता जाएगा, I think things will change and और ज्यादा लोगों को पता चलेगा motorsports के बारे में.
Because people are now interested but not a lot, you can say they don't have a lot of experience. So do we have enough tracks in India for training? Like, what is the infrastructure for motorsports?
I would say there are quite a few tracks in India. So basically most of them are in South India. जैसे कि चेन्नई में है, कोयम्बतूर में है, बैंगलोर में है, then कोल्हापुर में है, हैदराबाद है. So there's a lot of race tracks in South India. Delhi में race track है. So there are quite a few. If people want to get into racing, बहुत सारे racing academies है जहाँ से उनको वो लोग train हो सकते हैं and they can get into the sport. It's just आप लोगों को social media पे या in general internet पे थोड़ा सा research करना पड़ेगा कि आपके नजदीक में, आपके city में या आपके state में कोई racing academy है या race tracks है क्या, and you will be able to get into it very easily. It's expensive. So if you are ready कि आप आपके पास budget है और आपको really you want to dedicate yourself to the sport, I think वो बहुत easily you will be able to get into it.
Now again, this racing is as you said, very male dominant sport, but also one of the very few sports which does not discriminate between genders. So tell us
Yes.
about the challenges that you faced at that point of time when you started racing.
I would say बहुत कम challenges मुझे face करने पड़े थे when I went into motorsports as a female. One of them was physical strength. I was quite weak because मुझे उतना knowledge नहीं था at that point कि motorsports में we need so much of physical strength. So as a female, I had to work out a little bit more and over the years मुझे और ज़्यादा confidence मिला है and I have been able to perform और ज़्यादा अच्छे से क्योंकि मेरा physical strength बढ़ा था उसमें. I have been working out every year. So और ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. Other than that, लोग at that point of time लोगों को ऐसा था that लड़की क्यों चला रही है, why is she racing, उनके लिए ये नहीं बना है. They would tell all of those things to my parents. और मुझे उतना था दैट गो कार्ट है या कार है, उसको नहीं पता कौन सा जेंडर चला रहा है, एंड वंस द हेलमेट्स ऑन, किसी को बाहर से भी पता नहीं चलेगा कि एक लड़का है या लड़की है। सिर्फ जो स्किल है रेसिंग ड्राइवर का, और जो जितनी मेहनत करते हैं वो लोग, दैट्स व्हाट दैट एक्चुअली मैटर्स। जो इन द एंड रिजल्ट आएगा वो उसके ऊपर होगा, ना कि एक फीमेल के ऊपर या फिर मेल के ऊपर। So all of those comments were a challenge to face, but I would say कि मेरे आजू बाजू जो लड़के थे, जो competitors थे, they have always been equal to me. उन लोगों ने हमेशा ये, they have never treated me as if कि ये लड़की है तो हम लोग उसको लड़की की तरह ट्रीट करेंगे। हम लोग एक इक्वल लेवल पे रेस करते हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर हमारे आजू बाजू के लोग दे बिलीव कि नहीं लड़की है, डजंट मैटर, अगर वो लड़की भी रेस कर सकती है हमारे साथ एंड वी रेस एट एन इक्वल पॉइंट, आई थिंक स्लोली लोग चेंज हो जाएंगे एंड लोगों का मेंटालिटी चेंज होगा, एंड मोर फीमेल्स विल बी एबल टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट इनटू दिस स्पोर्ट।
Now talking about the same thing, gender thing, you were also young when you made a stand out as a, which made you stand out as a racer when you started. So like you were 14 and your male competitors were maybe 30 or something. So how did it feel
Yes.
to be an underdog at the track?
सो ये था जब मैं गोकार्ट्स में आई वाज विनिंग रेसेस, एंड देन मैंने फॉर्मूला 4 में शिफ्ट किया। उस टाइम पे मुझे पता नहीं था हाउ टू ड्राइव दैट कार, आई वाज जस्ट लर्निंग। बट एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग हम लोगों को अगर अगर हम लोगों को जीतने की आदत हो जाती है, वी गेट यूज्ड टू इट। सो जब मैं फॉर्मूला 4 में गई एंड दे वर सो मच मोर एक्सपीरियंस्ड देन मी, उनके पास बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस था, मैं अभी मैं स्टार्ट कर रही थी। सो फॉर अ वाइल मुझे ऐसा लगा दैट आई एम नॉट मेंट टू बी हियर, क्योंकि मैं उनके साथ रेस ही नहीं कर पा रही, मैं उनको पकड़ ही नहीं पा रही हूँ। बट मेरे पेरेंट्स और मेरी टीम ने ये मुझे बोला दैट मीरा, यू नीड टू बी पेशेंट, राइट अवे रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि गाड़ी को कैसे चलाते हैं। तुम्हें तुम्हारे कंपेटिटर्स के वीक पॉइंट्स है उनको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा, तुम्हारे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा, एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस। आई थिंक प्रैक्टिस मेक्स द पर्सन perfect and it helps you grow as a racer as well. So that's what I did. मैंने 2 साल अपने आप को दिए। I didn't expect that मुझे top 10 में जाना है या I want to win a race. I was just like, let's learn, let's enjoy what I'm doing. जब तक हम enjoy नहीं करेंगे, things will be boring, I would say. So मैंने 2 साल दिया, उसके बाद I knew that this is the point where I can push, and I did that. And मैं rookie champion हुई थी. I won the rookie championship in 2016. So yeah, it's all about being patient and believing in yourself that you can do it.
Now if somebody really not having an experience into racing and all want to go for racing, so how and where can they approach? Like in Mumbai,
I would say,
specifically talking about Mumbai.
let's say Mumbai में there is a team as well. There is Rio Racing, there is Indy Karting track है मुंबई में, अगर आप particularly आपको you want to get into racing, or else you can, I have my own racing team as well. मैं खुद लोगों को train करती हूँ, मेरा racing academy भी है जहाँ पे I have a lot of drivers who compete from my team as well. So I am just a message away. Instagram पे कोई भी मुझे message करेगा, I try my best कि मैं उनको I can reach out to them and help them out. और साउथ इंडिया में भी बहुत सारी रेसिंग टीम्स है, so it's all about एक मैसेज या एक फोन कॉल भी आप करोगे, we try our best कि हम लोग आपको हेल्प कर सके to get into the sport, or at least just for fun आप लोग जाके ट्रैक्स पे ड्राइव भी कर सकते हो।
Noted. Now the last question I would want to ask you is, what are your views on bikes? You have always been into car racing. So what about bikes?
I like riding bikes. एक टाइम था जब I was very scared of riding bikes, but I knew कि अगर मुझे वो fear निकालना है, it will help me in racing in general to push myself, मेरे comfort zone में से मुझे बाहर निकालने में मदद करेगा। So मैं bikes चलाती हूँ, but I have never considered bikes as an option for a career. मुझे अभी भी I would like to stick to cars. 4-wheelers is something that मैं छोटी थी सबसे चला रही हूँ, so I think that is my preference. But bikes में भी बहुत सारी opportunities है, बहुत सारे championships हो रहे हैं, if anybody else wants to participate bikes में. But for me, cars is something that I would like to stick to.
Like, do you feel cars are more safer than bikes, or is it something else?
It's only up to the driver कि वो कितना safely चलाते हैं और कितना control में रख सकते हैं. Cars में भी होता है accidents, bikes में भी होता है accidents. It's all about just being present in the moment to avoid everything.
So this was it, Meera. Thank you so much for all the information that you gave us. It was very informative, insightful. We loved talking to
Thank you.
and I'm so glad that I could host an interview with you. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely having you.
Thank you so much, Krishna. I really enjoyed talking to you, and I hope if anybody wants to participate, यहाँ से देख के anybody gets inspired, I'm always there to help you guys out.